Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting apps on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the Home button on your TV remote. Click to the left until you get to Apps and tap the OK button to open the app list. Scroll down to Downloaded App. The basic set of apps that came pre-installed on your TV can't be deleted. But to delete any other app, hold down the OK button when the app you want to delete is selected. Then select Delete. Tap Delete again on the pop-up. That app will be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.